Most people still think artificial intelligence is just a tool, something optional, something interesting but not essential. But what they don't realize is that artificial intelligence is already changing who makes money online, not in the future, not in theory. Right now, and the scariest part, is that most people don't even notice it happening. Right now, there are two types of people: those who are learning how to use AI, and those who are ignoring it. The difference between them is growing every single day, because while one group is becoming more efficient, the other is slowly becoming irrelevant. And this is not about intelligence, it's not about talent, it's about adaptation. This shift is not something that will happen in the next 5 or 10 years. It is already happening, quietly, in the background. Businesses are changing the way they operate. Creators are changing the way they produce content. And individuals are changing the way they generate income. All of this is happening at a speed that most people cannot keep up with. Let me give you a simple example. Right now, there are people making thousands of dollars online without writing a single line of content themselves. They use AI to generate ideas, AI to write, AI to edit, and AI to distribute. What used to take a full team can now be done by one person in a few hours. And the crazy part? Most people are still doing everything manually, not even realizing they are already behind. Think about this. A single person today can do what used to require an entire team: writing, editing, designing, automating, analyzing, all powered by artificial intelligence. And this creates something extremely powerful: leverage. Because now, effort is no longer directly connected to results. One person, with the right tools, can outperform 10 people without them. And this is where everything changes. The real difference today is not who works harder, it is who uses better systems. It is who understands how to multiply their output. And artificial intelligence is the most powerful multiplier we have ever seen. So the question is not whether AI will affect your life. That part is already decided. The real question is, are you going to use it, or are you going to be replaced by someone who does?